Hey guys, welcome back to the S Perryville YouTube channel. Hopefully you can hear me. I got the windows up. It's the best I can do for you. Today we're riding along, or you're riding along with me. We need to go to Farm and Fleet to pick up an amazing Milwaukee deal. They have buy a bare tool, get a free 5 amp hour starter kit. I posted the deal on the forum. It's your mileage may vary because they were out of stock online at the time, so that's why I posted over there instead of on the main portion of the website. But the best bargain for you, if you can find it, is the orbital sander for $99, and you get the free 5 amp hour starter kit to go with it. So that's what I'm picking up. But when you find an amazing deal like that, you don't just buy one, you buy as many as you can. I will put a link down below to the forum post. There's a couple other bare tools you could get, like I remember the router, but that's $179, so it's not as good of a deal. You can check that out if you'd like. If you live in northern Illinois like I do, you might have a harder time finding these, because any store with a quantity of above one, I bought it already. No, there's a few out there still. Well, we made it to the first store, Woodstock. There's a line to do the pickup stuff. Can you believe it? I hit a turtle on the way here. A turtle in the road. It was on a highway. I couldn't go anywhere, and it was a little thing. I thought I could just go right over it. It wasn't my wheels that hit it. Oh, the oil pan or the rear end. Couldn't believe it. But pow! Like, God dang it. Everything seems fine. Man, I can't believe I hit the turtle. I didn't realize it sat that low. That anyway, hit a turtle, and then I had a miss. I was like, what the heck? It was running fine when I left, and then anyway, I don't know if I finished that. The guy came out. I had a miss, and I had a bottle of water in the car, so when I got to the parking lot, I just started pouring a little bit on the header to see which one it was, and it was the front right cylinder for whatever reason. And then taking a closer look, and the spark plug wire was laying on the header and just about melted a good portion of it. First store down, got 4 of them. So here's the starter kit, charger, and the battery. Got my state mandated mask just in case. And then we got 4 of the sanders. On to store number 2. Made it to store number 2. No way in hell I'm gonna make the 3rd store. It took too long. Traffic was awful. So if you're wondering why I don't put it in the back, that's the little case for the T-tops, and it takes up the whole thing. Let's see how this goes. But the next door closes in 20 minutes, and it's probably 30 to 45 away. Well, 2 out of 3 stores isn't so bad. See, we got several of them there. No way I'm making the last one, so I'm going home. There should be a new Menards ad coming out on Sunday, so when I go pick up any free stuff they might have in that ad, I can swing by this last Farm and Fleet and get the last of my order. So if you're wondering, paid $100 for these things. That is the sander and the 5 amp hour starter kit. I'm going to have 8 of them total. I don't know if I'll sell all of them or not. I may keep one. I may do a giveaway for one. I haven't fully decided. It kind of depends what I get out of the ones that I do sell. But the sander is selling for about $100 in free shipping on eBay. Shipping will be, I don't know, $10 to $15. It depends what box it fits in and how far it's going. The starter kit looks to be selling between 100. Some people are getting 110, again with free shipping. And probably cost the same to ship. So I expect to make $40, let's say, profit on each one. So if I sold all 8, I'd get what, $320 of profit, which hey, that's not too bad for a couple hours of running around in the car. So thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully some of you get a chance to take advantage of this deal. Keep an eye on the website. They may come back in stock. Farm and Fleet has a tendency to do that with these things. Give the video a like, subscribe for a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.